Modern cars come with many smart features that most drivers never notice. These hidden functions are designed to make driving safer, easier, and more comfortable. Here are some lesser-known car features and pro tips, which can help you take full advantage of your vehicle and make everyday driving more convenient. One useful hidden feature in many cars is the secret key inside the key fob. Most modern cars use remote key fobs instead of traditional keys, but many drivers do not realize that a physical key is hidden inside the fob. This key can be used to unlock the door manually if the key fob battery dies. To access it, you usually press a small button or slide a latch on the key fob to pull the metal key out. This feature can save you a lot of trouble if your car battery or key fob battery suddenly stops working. Another helpful feature is the fuel door arrow on the dashboard. Many cars have a small arrow next to the fuel pump icon on the fuel gauge. This arrow points to the side of the car where the fuel cap is located. This simple feature is very useful when you are driving a new or rental car and cannot remember which side the fuel door is on. Instead of guessing at the gas station, you can quickly look at the dashboard and know exactly where to park. Many cars allow you to control the windows using the key fob. Pressing and holding the unlock button can open the windows, while holding the lock button may close them. This helps cool the car before you get inside on a hot day. Many drivers do not know that sun visors can extend to the side window. They can be unclipped and rotated to block sunlight from the side. Some even have a sliding extension for extra coverage, making driving more comfortable in bright conditions. Another useful hidden feature is the automatic door locking system. Many cars automatically lock all doors when the vehicle reaches a certain speed, usually around 10 to 20 km per hour. This improves safety by preventing doors from opening accidentally while the car is moving. Some vehicles also unlock the doors automatically when the engine is turned off or when the driver's door is opened. The adjustable seat belt height is another feature that many drivers ignore. On the side pillar of the car, where the seat belt comes out, there is often a small button that allows you to move the belt anchor up or down. Adjusting the seat belt ensures that it fits comfortably across your shoulder rather than rubbing against your neck. This improves both comfort and safety, especially during long drives. Many cars also have Follow Me Home headlights. This feature keeps the headlights on for a short time after you turn off the engine and lock the vehicle. The lights usually stay on for about 30 seconds, helping you see your path when walking to your house or garage at night. In many cars, you can activate this feature by briefly pulling the headlight lever before leaving the car. Another hidden tip is the anti-glare rearview mirror. Many modern rearview mirrors have a small lever or automatic sensor that reduces glare from headlights behind you. When activated, the mirror darkens slightly to prevent bright lights from disturbing your vision at night. This feature can greatly improve nighttime driving comfort. A feature many people do not notice is the capless fuel system found in some vehicles. Instead of using a traditional fuel cap, these cars have a sealed fuel door that opens when you insert the fuel pump nozzle. This design prevents fuel vapor leaks and eliminates the problem of forgetting to tighten the fuel cap. Another convenient feature is the automatic trunk release from inside the car. Most vehicles have a trunk release button located on the driver's door, dashboard, or key fob. This allows you to open the trunk without leaving the driver's seat. It is especially helpful when someone needs to access the trunk while you remain inside the car. Some cars also include rain-sensing windshield wipers. These wipers automatically activate when they detect water on the windshield. Sensors near the windshield measure moisture levels and adjust the wiper speed accordingly. This allows the driver to focus more on the road without constantly adjusting the wiper controls. Another hidden feature is the child safety door lock. Rear doors often have a small switch on the edge that activates child safety locks. When this feature is turned on, the rear doors cannot be opened from the inside. This helps protect children from accidentally opening the door while the car is moving. A useful comfort feature is the tilt and telescoping steering wheel. By pulling a small lever under the steering column, you can tilt the steering wheel up or down and sometimes move it closer or farther away. This helps create a more comfortable and controlled driving position. By exploring and using these hidden car features, you can make driving safer, easier, and more comfortable while getting the most out of your vehicle's technology.